Mommies, daddies, may hapon sa inyong tanan. Kumusta naman mo tanan? May hapon sa tanan. Namawenyos, mga Bisaya, may hapon sa inyong tanan. My name is Mateo. You can call me Mateo, Kuya Mateo, or whatever you like. What's my name?
Mateo!
Alright, okay. What's my name?
Mateo!
Alright. May hapon sa tanan nanonood ngayon
Sit down,
sa
oh.
online nato. Right
Sit
there.
down,
that
sit
camera.
down,
Kids,
Kuya.
can you look back? Look back in that camera over there. Say hi to everyone because they are watching from Facebook. May hapon sa tanan sa Facebook. Okay, naka-live stream po tayo sa Facebook. So if you're watching on Facebook, please spread the word. Share it on Facebook so we have more and more people watching our Facebook Live. Lola, may hapon sa inyo ha. Lola, may hapon mo. Adios. Alright, are you guys excited? Jump, 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 jump. Okay, now we can calm down. Kalma na tayo. Mga Bisaya mo ka nun, di ba? Pwede tayo magsultik Bisaya, dire?
Yeah!
Hindi tayo magtagalog, ha?
Yes!
Lingkod na ka na, lingkod. Alright, excited na. Kahit tayo rin ni Sarah sa Davao, may ganun hapon. Very excited because for the past other shows, nasa Angeles, Pampanga, Bacolod, Nuvali, karon, we are in Davao City! Okay, Nakawenyos, mga kayo nakita tatakaroon. Daghang salamat sa ilang and of course, Landers is our favorite place to be. Dahil tanan, ipangita nato sa atong buhay na adres sa Davao, na adres sa Landers. Tama ba?
Yeah!
Alright, and magical moments, of course, this afternoon with Mateo and Sarah, and one of our most favorite and amazing groups. They're called Clownin' Around. Okay? They're very, very cool. They're going to perform for us this afternoon. Nalibog na po, teleprompter, because di na siya kabangas sa to. Sensya na ba? Bisaya ka? Okay. Okay.
Cute ni Mateo.
Are you guys ready? Let's do an energy check. Energy check na, mga taga Davao. Mag-shaggy kita. Pinag-kusog na shaggy nila sa Davao. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Again, 3, 2, 1. Alright, calm down. Mama naman, mga mama at papa. Shaggy, 1, 2, 3. Lupit na mama. Again, kayo mga kids. 3, 2, 1. And the winner is...
Mama!
The kids! Alright. Guys, when I say lots of love, okay, I say lots of love. Lots to love. When I say lots to love, you say... Atlanders, okay? Lots to love.
Atlanders!
Lots to love.
Atlanders!
Alright. Alright kids, before we move on to some more adventures with our dinosaurs, are you excited to see dinosaurs this afternoon? Yes? Grabe kang energy ng Davao, ha? Okay, I want to hear your biggest roar. Okay, kanina nagshagit ka. Karon, I want to hear your biggest roar. 3, 2, 1! I love Davao. I love Davao. Okay, kids, look there in the camera. Look there. And then show everybody your biggest roar. 3, 2, 1! Okay. Turn around, turn around. Okay, you can sit down now. Sit down now, relax. Who likes durian? You like durian? Me and Ate Sarah, we love durian also, especially frozen durian. Pag-ibutan niyo sa freezer, just putting lamia. Ha? The best? Lola, okay ka lang dyan, Lola? Okay, number 1 si Lola. And to bring the dino story to life, we will be joined this afternoon by one of the most magical groups in the whole entire world. They are called Clouding Around. Are you guys ready? Okay. Thank you, madam. Maglingkod sa Audrey, ha? Okay na mo diha, kanan? Alright, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, welcome to Landers, one of the most enchanting places you'll ever see in your whole entire life. I'm here to tell you a secret about this place. Do you know the secret? Not yet? Promise to keep it a secret? Let me ask you first, who has been to Landers before? Everybody? Mama, Papa, sa likod? Yes! If you've been to Landers before, raise 2 hands, 2 feet. Okay, now, if you've been here before, you probably know that there are lots of love and lots of wonderful things in the corridors of Landers. On every aisle are all sorts of cool things, correct? Treats from all over the world, delicious pizza, ice cream, toys of all shapes and sizes, stuff you wouldn't find in any other store. Do you agree? But did you guys know, if you look closely, you might find a secret adventure here at Landers. Are you guys ready for an adventure? Are you sure? Alright, kids, sit down, sit down. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3. Let's get ready for adventure. Here we go. Let's begin. I'm here to tell you a little secret, through a story, if you will, about the very place you stand on. A story that gives me quite a thrill. You see, kids past the aisles, behind the shelves, is a secret only true Landers members know. There are dinosaurs in the store. You agree? There are dinosaurs in the store. Sneaking past every corner, scrambling around are dinosaurs in every single row. Now, before you think this tale is all imagined and I'm telling you guys a joke or a little secret, there's one thing I forgot to mention. Not too long ago, a girl about your age. Miss, right there, standing, look at me. You, say hi. A girl about your age found some dino friends right by this section.
Hala. Where could they be hiding? Oh, I almost didn't see you all here. Are you all looking for what I think you're looking for? What is it? What is it? Oh, dinosaurs! Oh, you might scare them away. My brother told me there were dinosaurs here. He saw a big old tail hide behind a big pile of soft towels. And one time, he said he saw him running to the back, carrying a bunch of precious leafy vegetables. Have any of you seen one around here? You haven't? All right. Do you think you can help me find them then? Okay, well, because this story's massive, you know, it might help your feet look together. So, repeat after me. Repeat everything I say, okay? We're going on a dinosaur hunt. Let me hear you. Perfect. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. Just like that, I think we're ready. Just repeat everything. Everything. Okay? We're going on a dinosaur hunt. I've got